May I believe the Lordship? Lordship, item number 19, Lordship. I am to order the item number 19. I am to order this bit.
Your name?
Islam, Lordship.
So I Islam Dalanek Council appearing for the accused applicant submits that he has instructions to withdraw the instant bail application. Prayer is allowed, the matter is dismissed and withdrawn.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 33, Lordship. Madam, maybe please after vacation, Lordship. CD also not there, Lordship.
After vacation, why? Ailments cannot go like that. Item number
33, Lordship.
33 next week.
Interim may be continued.
The prayer of the Learned Council appearing to the accused applicant. Later matter will be listed after a week. Interim order, interim order is there?
Yes, Lordship.
Interim order so fast, continue to the next list.
August.
My please, Lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 49, Lordship.
Item number
49, Lordship.
Hmm.
CD is not available, Lordship.
Item number 49 CD is awaited. Later matter will be listed after a week.
Call for cash diary again, Lordship.
It is already called for, wait for some time.
Obliged, Lordship.
Your Lordship, item number 44. 44. The engagement of this case is out of station. Out of station.
Who?
The M.A. Mondal.
Which item?
Item number 44. Item number 44.
44.
44. Kindly pass on.
Is that is await. Later matter will be listed after a week.
Next.
May I please, Your Lordship? Item 50, I'm praying for adjournment, Lordship, as my senior is out of station today.
And the prayer of Learned Council appearing for the applicant. Later matter will be listed after a week.
Obliged.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, it is a regular bail application and the petitioner is behind the bar since 25/2026. My humble prayer, Lordship may kindly call the CD.
Your name?
Lordship G. Kashyap on behalf of L. Gogoi.
Ms. Kashyap. Pardon, Ms. Kashyap, the Learned Council appearing for the accused applicant. This is an application under section 42 of the NSS trying for grant of PRS bill for accused applicant in connection with Northwood PS case number 362026 registered in the sections 316 bracket 4, so 318 bracket 4, so 319 bracket 2 of the NS 202. All product is there, internet will be listed.
22nd. 22nd.
22nd. 22nd of June.
Masterpiece.
It is your lord. My lord, item number 2 and item number 11 are of my lord in respect of the same affair. My lord, there are 9 accused persons. 2 have been arrested, and my lord, they have come for my lord bail regular, and my lord, 8 persons. My lord, the bail has been rejected by the session judge, and 1 person, one of the main accused, has been granted anticipatory bail by the learned session judge. Now, so far as this application is concerned, my lord, item number 2, your lordship may pick up item number 11 or tomorrow.
So item number 2, there are how many people are there?
2 petitioners, my
2 petitioners.
my lord.
So they have been arrested.
They have been arrested.
So they are inside the jail. And item number 11.
11, my lord, there are 8 petitioners. 7 petitions.
7 petitioners. So where is the affair?
FIR, my lord, in the item number 2,
21.
your lordship, my lord, your lordship will find at page 19, my lord.
Right.
May I read that? My lord? Your lordship may like to peruse that. This is an FIR lodged by one Authorised Das.
Okay.
Making up a case for, my lord, abduction and physical torture.
So we'll call for the
Yes,
CD in this case.
Yes, my
All the matters will be, both the matters will be taken together. Give
both
us
the
some-
matters will be tagged together, and my lord,
Will
what
give
happened,
some-
my lord? You see, in the other case, my lord, I'm praying for an interim on the ground that, my lord, if your lordship has seen this affair, last but one sentence, your lordship will find, police saw me and rescued me and took me to the hospital. Onimesh Mishra, alias Pappu, is the main culprit behind my kidnapping and badly assaulting. Therefore, I want strict action. Now, my lord, this Onimesh Mishra, he was the main accused, my lord. And he has been granted bail by the session judge. And my lord, what happened? There is a, my lord, counter FIR which your lordship will find at page 39. In that case, my lord, this informant has been arrested. He is behind the bars. He is a, my lord, he has got a portal, my lord, and he extorts money by blackmailing. He's a news person, my lord. Page 39, your lordship will find, my lord. This is a political rivalry, in fact. Page 39 is the other FIR, my lord.
Next.
Forwarding you, my lord, your lordship will find at page 42, my lord. The informant in this case has been arrested. And the grounds your lordship will find, my lord, he is the main accused. Extortion, primarily.
Yes.
Not of the perusal of the case diary and the statement of the mother of the victim, lordship, that their parents is acted by the London trial court.
Hmm?
Case 44, lordship.
My lord, the main accused, my lord, he has been granted bail by this session judge, my lord. The order passed is at page 44 and relevant, my lord. Your lordship will find at page 47. Accused Animesh Mishra. Though the name of the Animesh Mishra is mentioned in the FIR, but there are no materials in the city against the accused Animesh. And my lord, he is the main accused, and he has been granted bail. And the other person, present petitioner.
This is the main accused.
Yes, my lord. That your lordship will find in the
That is
forwarding
the affair.
in the FIR, my lord, that I have shown, my lord.
Hmm.
Page 19, your lordship will find the last sentence. He says, my lord, Onimesh Mishra is the main culprit. And my lord, while forwarding, my lord, he is the accused number 1. Therefore, my prayer, my lord, at least when the city come, one of the cases are fixed on 17th. The case that he has already been called in the case of Onimesh. My lord, this, till that time, your lordship will protect us, my lord.
17 of the case diary come, lordship will decide after perusal of the case diary.
No, I mean, as far as this other item 11 is concerned, this one, okay, I will call for the, I mean, that CD will come, and this will take into consideration.
Till that time, my lord, your lordship will.
I will protect you in this case 11, the anticipatory bails. But this matter, I mean, let it come. Let the CD come. The other matters, like I'm protecting you, I will give you some information. Her Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, senior counsel, listed by Mr. So the learned counsel appearing for his application. Also her Mr. Swami, this is an application. Connection with Lambdin PS case number 79/2026 registered under section 140 in bracket 3, stroke 303 bracket 2, stroke 117 bracket 4, stroke 61 bracket 2, small a bracket small a, stroke 3 bracket 5, stroke added section 109 bracket 1 of bracket 1 stroke 140 bracket 4 of BNS. Full stop. An FIR was lodged on 18/5/2026 by one Authorised thus alleging incorrectly that he is a news reporter at Bottom Forward correspondent and is having any legal relationship with the brother of the sitting MLA of London LAC. Semicolon that on 17/5/2026, about 17, when he, along with his friends, visited the Anupul Thakur Mandir, Mandir 15-16 people came with bikes and one four-wheeler and forcefully took him inside the four-wheeler car. And after covering his face with clothes, he was taken to an unknown place. That the people took his mobile phone as well as rupees 30,000 from him. Thereafter, thereafter, they took the informant to Borlongfar River, near Borlongfar River, and after tying his hand, they assaulted him. Several persons were involved in the alleged offense. Alleged offense, however, the main accused is Animus Misra. Animus Misra, who is involved with the aforesaid assault as well as kidnapping of the informant. So on receipt of the FIR, the police registered next plan. On receipt of the FIR, police registered the Lambdin PS case number 79/2026 registered under section 140, registered under the aforementioned section. Ms. M.K. Chaudhary, the alleged counsel appearing on behalf of the accused applicant submits that the main accused, which is who has been named in the instant FIR, namely Sri Animus Misra, has already been granted bail by the learned system judge.
Bhujai.
And learned system was Bhujai. He further submits that in fact there is a long-standing enmity between the informant and the other informant and the accused persons, and in terms and the accused person and the informant has been involved in blackmailing various individuals in the Huzai locality, including the family members of the MLA Lambdin. He submits that in view of the episode and FIR has already been lodged by the president of Bharatiya Janata Party London Town Mandal against the informant, and the informant has been already arrested in connection with the opposite case. He submits that the accused applicants now are accused applicants not involved in the instant case, and therefore they should be allowed to go on bail. Now, on the other hand, the learned APP, so DP Goswami submits that case the instant case will be necessary for proper execution of the case. Therefore, he opposes the bail at this stage. Full stop. Taking into account the submissions made by the council appealing for the respective parties, these respective parties is supported to consider the opinion that interim bail can be granted in the instant case. Full stop. Accordingly, it is directed that the accused applicants shall be released on bail, on interim bail, or on furnishing of a bail bond of rupees 30,000 each, with a security of like nature to the satisfaction of which court? It will be
हो जाए
session judge हो जाए.
हो जाएगा
Session judge.
Yes, इधर में भी CGM हो जाए मैडम.
CCM हो जाए. CCM हो जाए. CCM is subject to the condition. Subject to the condition that accused applicants shall fully cooperate with the investigation and make themselves available as and when called for by the investigating officer. Full stop. Next paragraph, right? Call for the CD. Let them at rate fixed on. When do you want?
17th is the day, my lord. The other case is
Let them
also.
at rate fixed on 17. I'm giving them interim. Let the case there. Let them at rate fixed on 17. 2.
My lord, the CGM, that is, my lord, they call it now Shankardev Nagar. My lord, it is in Hojai or Shankardev Nagar.
CCM something.
Highly obliged.
That 11, target 11. Then you write, Bhag is MP Chodi, will elect council, senior council, assisted by so and so.
KU Ahmed.
And also have Mr. DP Goswami, KKK for the state. This is an application under section 482 of BNSS 2023. Praying for granting PRS bail to the accused applicants in connection with Lambding case number 79/2026, registered under section 140 in bracket 3/303 bracket 2 /117 bracket 4 /61 bracket 2 bracket small a /3 bracket 5 added section 109 bracket 1 /140 bracket 4 of BNS. Then you write an FIR was lost. Same facts from there. Then you write after hearing the parties. After hearing the council opinion for the parties, this particular considered opinion that entering PRS bail should be granted to the accused applicants in these cases. Accordingly, it is directed that in the event of arrest of the accused applicant in connection with Lambding PS case number 79/2026, the accused applicants will be released on furnishing of bail bond of rupees 30,000 each with security of like nature to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. Arresting authority subject to the condition that accused applicants, number one, accused applicants shall appear before the investigating authority within a period of 10 days of passing of this order. The accused applicants shall cooperate with the investigation and make themselves available as and when called for by the investigating officer. Then accused applicants shall not try to influence any witness that may be involved in the instant case. Then you write call for the CD, let them apply fixed.
I'm just confused, my lord. In the bail application, your lordship need not pass the interim. My lord.
No, bail also I have given you the relief.
Highly obliged.
Till the CD comes, you'll be released. Then we'll consider all the cases together.
Highly obliged.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship. Lordship, this is a regular bail application, 95 days in jail custody, lordship. FIR, lordship, will find on page 14, lordship. Case was registered, lordship, under 108 and 108 of the BNS, lordship. That is the lordship, abatement of suicide, lordship. Now, lordship, I have annexed the postmortem report as well as lordship, the FSL report, lordship. In all case, lordship, it is an suicidal death, lordship. May I read the FIR, lordship? It is respectfully submitted that about 15 months ago, from the date of occurrence, the marriage between the accused person and my younger sister, namely such and such, was solemnized. But since after the marriage, the accused person inflicted mental injury upon my sister, and sister used to tolerate the torture of the accused person. But on 6/3/2026, that the accused person called from his mobile number such and such to my mobile number and informed me that my sister, Priyanka, such and such, has committed suicide by hanging inside the house. After getting the information, I immediately rushed to the place of occurrence from Gauhati to Borpeta Road and found my sister dead condition. As such, it is suspected that the accused person have killed my sister and hanged her, lordship. Now, lordship, kindly come to the lordship postmortem report that is on page 27, lordship. Thereafter, he was arrested, lordship, postmortem, lordship, page 27, lordship. Lordship, bottom part in column number 4, lordship. Here, clear, lordship, an oblique non-continuous ligature mark of the size such and such is present high up the neck above the level of the thyroid cartilage, lordship. That is, lordship, it's a suicide, lordship. Now, lordship, kindly come to the what? It's a suicidal death, lordship. Non-continuous, lordship. Then? Hanging. If it is, lordship, strangulation, then, lordship, it should be a continuous one. It is suicide, yes. Yes, lordship. Now, the FSL report that is on page 34, lordship. Here also, lordship, the cause of death has been bottom part, lordship. It's an abatement of suicide. Yes. But lordship, abatement only near. How does it help you with these reports? Lordship, things is that, lordship, she has committed suicide, lordship, no torture, nothing else, lordship. Only mere allegation is an mental torture, lordship. Within 6 years of marriage. Within 15 months, lordship, there is no torture. What happened, lordship? There's. We'll see the CD will call. Already charge sheeted, lordship. Yeah, charge the page. Yes, lordship. The rejection order, lordship, will find on page, lordship. Page 25, lordship. The ground of rejection is that, lordship, since charge has not been framed, so his bail has been rejected, lordship. Okay, we'll call for the TCR. Okay. Heard Mr. B. Chaudhary, the learned counsel, is applicant, also heard Mr. B. The learned APP for the state. This is an application under section 453 of BNS 2023. Playing for bail. In connection with sessions case number 45/2026, pending report and system just Borpeta, arising out of Borpeta police station case number 19/2026 under section 103 1 of BNS 2023. Registered a call for the TCR in the instant case from the court of the learned session just Borpeta. If the matter is fixed on when? Before vacation, lordship, if possible, lordship. 26 or 27, brother? Can it be on 25th, lordship? 25th. Highly obliged. May I please? Regular bail application, my lord. Petitioner has been arrested on 16/4 to this 55 days, my lord. Refer at page number 11. 55 days. Lordship. What is the offense?
Offense my lord,
90 days offense.
Huh?
90 days
108 plus
offense.
the grievous was there also. 90 days offense.
90 days.
Due to land dispute, some altercation took place
Is
between
there
the
any purpose
parties, my
dispute
lord.
along with the injury report?
Another case is fixed on 15, my lord, out of same affair. So let the
15.
on 15, my lord.
Okay, how Mr. So are Ali the London Council is paying for the accused applicant also had Mr. The application and the fee for the state. Please in application under section 483 of BNS 2023 for company will include accused applicant in connection with officer PS case number 46/2026 under section 61 in bracket 2 stroke 117 bracket 2 stroke 118 bracket 2 310 bracket 2 of BNS. Call for the city, let them be fixed from 15th of June,
Along with AB number 1056.
along with AV number
1056
1056
of
of
26.
026.
Always.
Exactly, along with AV.
Maybe. Well, as on today, petitioner will behind by 19 days. Offense resulting to the maximum punishment of 7 years, my lord. FIR is page 12. my lord.
Mandatory period is 90 days.
No, 60 days, my lord. 60 days.
He's already,
19 days.
he's inside the jail for
19 days.
19, 19.
One night. Lord, FIR is page 12 is the relevant part, my lord. There is allegation regarding, my lord. They have obtained some Aadhaar card, PAN card,
Okay, we'll call for the city.
my lord.
I heard Mr. A.K. Azad, the council is for the each applicant also heard Mr. D.P. Kuswami DP for the state. The application under section 483 of BNSS 2023, paying for grant of valuable, paying for grant of bail to the accused applicant in connection with Sonapur PS case number 36 for 2026 under section 112 bracket stroke 316 bracket 2 stroke 318 bracket 4 stroke 335 bracket specifically bracket small 2 Roman stroke 336 bracket 3 stroke 61 bracket 2 BNS 2023. Call for the CD, let the matter fixed from
23rd.
23rd June.
Can it be on 17? It was. My lord, can it be on 17, my lord?
Today's 10.
I mean, today is 10 to
My lord.
take some time unnecessarily. It's
It is
that
Apur pay, yes, it's from.
let it be a lot of other matters.
My lord. I'm on this.
Please, your lordship. In this case, section 103 is involved, lordship. Therefore, city may be called for.
Hard so in so the council is paying for the accused applicant also had a DP for some and a DP for the state. Is an application as a for your BNS to bring for granting regular bail the accused applicants in connection with aligned PS case number 35/2026 registered under section 61 and bracket 2/103 bracket 2/108 bracket 2/109 of BNS. Call for the CD, let the case
24/6.
24/6.
May please your lordship. This is a regular bail application, lordship. Allegations are lordship, allegations are 140 subsection 3, 304 subsection 2 and 64 subsection 1, lordship. Lordship, in this case, there are 3 accused persons, lordship. 2 accused persons are already on bail on and it has been allowed by the Honorable CGM Court on default bail, lordship. I am arrested on 16/12/2025. Already 176 days behind the bar.
I heard Mrs. Soin to the land council paying for the accused applicant also heard.
Lordship, matter is already been charged sheeted, lordship.
Yeah, DPG so me land APP for the state.
Not lordship, chair may be called lordship. The matter is
This is an application under section 4 of the code of the BNSS 2023. Paying for grant of bail to the accused persons in connection with sessions case number 7 of 2026. Arising out of Gauhati case number 126 of 2025 under section 140 in bracket 3 stroke 304 bracket 2 stroke 64 bracket 1 of BNS using complete registry to call for TCR.
From additional district sessions number 4, Lordship.
TCR from the court of the learned.
Additional district and session judge 4,
Addition.
Kamrup Metro.
Oh, come on. The case
25-6.
25-6.
God bless you.
Well, may it please your lordship, but this is a regular bail application. The injuries are simple, but just to make it non-bailable, they have stated it to be grievous. Your lordship may call for the case diary.
They heard Mr. BD on the learned senior counsel. This is said by MS.
H Bush.
H. Bush, the learned counsel, and that is applicants. Also heard Mr. BD on Swami, the learned APA for a state, is an application and a second of poetry in essence. 2023 paying for fund of way to the accused applicant in connection with Azara PS case number 63 stroke 2026 registered under section 189 in bracket 2 stroke 109 bracket 1 stroke 117 bracket 2 of BNS 202 to call for the CD.
May I wait on 15 Monday next, because I'll be out of,
Too early, I think.
well, we'll take a chance because I'll be out of station. That's why I'm praying. 15, we'll take a chance. If it is not there, next week your lordship will fix.
15.
Oh, I'm declared.
Left page. This is previous bail application, Lordship. FIR will find Lordship page number 12, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, there are 5 petitioners, Lordship. And some altercation took place regarding Lordship and construction of a house, Lordship. And Lordship, kindly come to page number, Lordship. Property person, Lordship, we start from page number 12. So, my lord, some altercation took place, Lordship, and there are 2 ladies is here, Lordship. So at this stage, my lord, my humble prayer, Lordship, and 2 lady Lordship may be grant PhD interim protection, Lordship, and other I'm not pressing, Lordship. So, my lord, and this is my humble submission, Lordship. Otherwise, section 118 is there, Lordship, but it will be reveals on the CD and medical report, Lordship.
45-6.
Admitted, Lordship, some altercation took place, Lordship, but 2 lady Lordship, they were not present, and subsequently they appear after quarrel is over, Lordship. And that is on the roadside, Lordship.
This is still call for a case diary.
And even the Lordship, the FIR is incident took place as per the FIR, Lordship, 11/3/2026. After 4 days, Lordship, FIR has been lost. But in the contents of the FIR does not reveal and why they have delayed to lodge the FIR, Lordship. There is nothing. And if there is any medical treatment or another else, Lordship, but nothing mentioned.
You have to call for CD, I mean.
2 lady, Lordship, one is 66 years, Lordship. Lordship, kindly come to page number 3, Lordship, and one 66 years. And the petition number 4 is 40 years.
No, it's hard, sir.
F of Lordship.
Of the learned counsel into the accused also heard, the DP showing APP for the state. For the state, this is an application of the second quality of BNSS to be complete. Paying for granting bail, granting PL is being to the accused applicants in connection with the local PS case number 90/2026. Corresponding to GR number 413 stroke 2026 under section 61 bracket 2 stroke 117 bracket 2 stroke 118 bracket 2 stroke 351 bracket 3 of BNS 2023. Then FIR was lodged on 14/3/2026 by the informant alleging that on 11/3/2026 at around 4:30 p.m. her husband had brought some stone chips in a hired vehicle for construction works in their house. Cynical on that. At the time, these persons in a predetermined manner stopped the vehicle and started arguing. And during the argument, the accused persons assaulted the assaulted the husband with thou, X and iron rods that during the commotion, a local resident, namely Mofidul Rahman, also came forward to stop the fight. However, he was also injured by the accused applicants. His semicolon that her husband got 45 stitches on his head and neck, and the other person also received how many stitches he got?
Lordship, as per the FIR.
1012 stitches.
Sorry, Lordship, and there is one slash is there, Lordship, but wrongly typed.
How do why 1012 stitches?
Later on, Lordship, I have seen. Sorry, Lordship.
And don't file the petitions so casually.
But actually, Lordship, 10 to 12, Lordship. It should
10 to 12 stitches on his head.
Sorry, Lordship, I have
The
seen
learned
later.
counsel appearing for the accused applicants admits that though the accused persons were named in the FIR, actually they were not in no way linked to the incident involved. He further submits that that two ladies who have been named in the incident in FIR, namely Rahima Bibi and Amiran Bibi Bewa, who were not present when the incident happened. In fact, they came to the spot after the incident was over to see what had actually happened. So, in view of the aforesaid, she submits that at least the aforesaid ladies should be granted some interim relief of this case prospect, taking into account the intertext of the case and also considering the submission made by the learned counsel to the accused applicants. It is directed that accused applicant number 4 and 5 will be released on an interim period bail on punishing of bail bond of rupees 30,000 each with security of like nature to the satisfaction of the arrest priority, subject to the condition that the accused applicants shall appear, that the accused applicant number 4 and 5 shall appear to the IO within a period of 10 days of passing of this order. Number 2, the accused applicants shall cooperate with the investigation. The number again, accused number 4 and 5. Accused number 4 and 5 shall make themselves available as and when possible for the investigating product. Number 3, accused applicant shall not try to influence or anyway influence influence evidence or persuading witnesses in connection with the instant case. Then you can write next color, call for the CD, later material fixed one. When Mr. Goswami? For two ladies only, just 2 ladies.
25th.
25th.
Deeply obliged, Lordship. Deeply obliged. Obliged.
May I please the Lordship, this bail application, anticipatory bail application, my lord, in connection of Rongya PS case number 135/2026, under section 223, 100/173/174 BNS Act, my lord. Your Lordship, kindly see Annexure 1 in page number 10, my lord. I am going through the Assamese FIR, my lord. প্ৰতি মাননীয় ভাৰপ্ৰাপ্ত আৰক্ষী বিষয়া ৰঙিয়া থানা বিষয়া এজাহাৰ মহোদয়, বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে বিধানসভা নিৰ্বাচন 2026 শেষৰ অন্তিমটো দিনৰ প্ৰচাৰৰ শেষৰ সময়ত অৰ্থাৎ 7/4/2026 তাৰিখে আবেলি 5 বজাৰ পিছত তৰণীপুৰী মন্দিৰৰ সমীপত দুখন বাহন, এখন মাৰুতি সুজুকি ব্ৰেজা AS 01 নাম্বাৰ আৰু এখন ইনোভা গাড়ীৰে অহা কিছু লোকে কংগ্ৰেছ দলৰ হৈ নিৰ্বাচনৰ প্ৰচাৰ আৰু টকা পইচাৰ লেনদেন কৰা বুলি আমাৰ কাৰ্যকৰ্তা সকলে জানিব দিয়াত আমি তৎকালীনভাৱে পুলিচ প্ৰশাসনক অৱগত কৰো যদিও বৰ্তমানলৈ কোনো সম্ভেদ নোপোৱাত সমগ্ৰ ঘটনাটো অৱগত কৰি উক্ত ঘটনাটোৰ উচিত তদন্ত কৰিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনোৱা হ'ল। My lord, after lodging this FIR on allegation on 742026, my lord, an FIR is registered on 152026, my lord. And on the allegation of the vehicle, my lord, that is Maruti Suzuki Brezza, number so and so, the police officials, including lady police officer of the Rohingya PS, went to my petitioner's house, my lord, that is standing in Hatigaon Sariali, my lord, and queried the petitioner, my lord. And at that time, petitioner was not present at home, my lord. He was in official duty, my lord. He is a private employee working in a Gauhati Winthrop Hospital in pharmacy. He is a salesman, my lord, sale boy, my lord. And after that, my lord, I am threatened that any moment I may be arrested, my lord, because on that day when 162026 lady police officials went to the house of the petitioner inside the house, my lord, and asked the mother of the petitioner, and when she like that, all the
Page
sections.
5, paragraph 5.
Hmm?
Paragraph 5 of the petitioner, page 5.
Paragraph-
Only thing is there. The vehicle, may I read, Lordship?
Hmm.
A vehicle bearing number S01 belongs to him, and it is used for coming and going for his family members from
Yeah.
Gauhati to Rangya.
Yeah.
Sometimes his relatives, friends use the vehicle for coming and going to Gauhati. Hence, on the specific, the petitioner vehicle is alleged to be there, Lordship. That is the only card.
My lord, it is a fact that my vehicle goes coming and going. It is used, my lord, from Hatigaon Sariali, because my relatives, my kinsmen, my mother's house are also my Rongia, my lord. And it is not on that day, as my lord. Several times this vehicle is used, my lord, from going coming. That does not mean that I am involved.
Your name.
I am B.R. Sultana, my lord, advocate.
Right,
So-
and so the learned counsel appointed for the accused applicant also heard this right, TP questioning, a learned TP important. There is an application under section 44 BNSS 2050, paying for pre-arrest bail to the accused applicants in connection with Ramya PS case number 155/2026 in bracket GR 305/26 bracket 28 under section 178/174 of BNS 2023. An FIR was lodged on 1/5/2026 by one Kumar Kolitas. Kumar Kolita, executive member, Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, Assam Pradesh, alleging that that during the last legislative election 2026 on 7/4/2026, which was the last day of campaigning, at about 5 p.m. They saw some persons in two vehicles, namely one Maruti Brezza bearing number AS01 FU 1947 and another Innova near Tarinipuri Mandir, semicolon, that it is that the alleged vehicles used by the Congress party, and certain financial transactions happened at that point of financial transactions happened during that period. Semicolon, it was alleged that the executive focus of the BJP Yuva Morcha immediately intimated the same to the police administration, but nothing was done. On receipt of this, on receipt of the FIR, Ramya PS case from 135/26. Under section 223, stroke 174 of BNS 2023 was registered also. The learned counsel, I think the accused applicant submits that the accused applicant is a salesman working in Winthrop Hospital in Goa, and he is no way linked to any such kind of financial transaction. If she further submits that it may happen, she further submits, this vehicle is yours, A01 FU19.
Yes, my lord, this is my vehicle, my lord. So the police went to my house, my lord, Hatigaon's house, my lord.
Submits that.
And-
Where is your house, this thing?
Yes, my lord.
Where is your residence?
My lord, my permanent residence is Hatigaon Sariali, my lord.
How you have gone to this Tarinipur Mandir?
Yes, my lord.
How have you gone to Tarinipur Mandir?
My lord,
Why have you gone there?
on that day, I was not.
Who has taken your vehicle?
Sometimes my vehicle, my relatives has gone to the.
Who has taken the vehicle on that particular date?
My relationship.
742026, who has taken this vehicle? Your own vehicle, you should be knowing. Na?
Yes,
No,
yes,
my vehicle.
yes, my lord,
my
my
vehicle.
mother, my sister,
No,
and my
where
brother
they have
also.
taken it?
Yes, my lord, I am not to remember, but my person,
No, why you have visited this place, Tarinipur Mandir?
Yes, my
Near
lord.
Tarinipur Mandir. What was the occasion to go there?
My lord, in my residential house also dear, my lord, my mother's house, my dear, there.
Where?
Rongia, within the Rongia jurisdiction, my lord.
She submits that that maternal uncle's house of the accused applicant is located in Romania, and there may be certain occasions wherein his vehicle has been taken by his relatives to Romania. Also, he submits that the police is visiting his house and threatening him to arrest him, and therefore being a pensive for instant AB application has been filed by the accused of Jalani, Mr. D.P. Goswami, Jalani D.P. On the other hand, opposes the bail AB application in the application stating that the case in the instant case will be required to stop. But taking into account the fact that the incident alleged happened on 7/4/2026, how the FIR was lodged on 1/5/2026, and also taking into account the allegations that have been made in the FIR, this court is the considered opinion that the accused applicant should be granted anticipatory bail. So accordingly, it is directed that in the event of arrest of the accused applicant by the accused applicant, he shall be released on furnishing of bail bond of rupees 30,000 with CVT of light nature with satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject to the condition that the accused applicant shall appear before the investigating authority within a period of 10 days of passing of this order. Number two, the accused applicant shall cooperate with the investigation and make himself available as and when called for by the IO. Number three, the accused applicant shall not try to influence any evidence or witness that may be connected in the instant case. Next paragraph, in terms of the aforesaid direction, the instant application is disposed of.
My lord, I may be supported to bail surety, my lord, or to the concerned police station, my lord.
What?
My lord, am I
Well, I have dictated the order about bail bond and security.
masterless?
Please, your lordship. This is an anticipatory bail application, lordship. The lordship will find the affair is at page 8, lordship. May I read, lordship? The main allegation is against the accused number 1, lordship, and he
Is
has
the first application or it was
first application, lordship. Main allegation, lordship, against accused number 1, he has already been arrested, lordship.
Who is the main accused?
Is Abu Jamal, Lordship.
Hmm?
Abu Jamal. He has already been arrested. Your Lordship will find the
Where is his name in the FIR?
his accused number 1.
Hmm?
Accused number 1, page 8.
You
There are
are
as many as 5 numbers of accused name in the FIR, Lordship.
who are
It
you,
is
Fasikullah?
4. Accused number 4.
Heard Mr. Heard Mr. So-and-so.
I want to pointing out one thing.
Bitu Haldar.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. B. Haldar, the London Council, according to the and also heard Mr. D. P. for the state. This is an application of section 482 of BNSS 2023. Grant of pre-arrest bail to the accused applicant in connection with Julia PS case number 157/2026 under section 318 bracket 2 stroke 127 bracket 2 stroke 208 bracket 2 stroke 118 bracket 2 stroke 35 of BNS 2023. Call for a series, let the notary fixed on
25th.
Lordship, my small submission, Lordship.
defect.
My small submission.
No interim in this case. This kind of false rehabilitation center, no.
Right.
Your Lordship, in this present case, CD may be required. So Your Lordship kindly call for CD and give us a short date.
Mr.
S. Khan. S. Khan. Shahid Khan. S. Khan.
S. Khan. Mr. S. Khan, the learned counsel of the prison. And also have Mr. D.P. Goswami, for the state, he's an application of section 482 of BNSS 203, granting paying for grant of pre-arrest bail to the prison in connection. Call of PS case number 9/2026 under section 296 stroke 75 bracket 2 stroke 6/1 stroke 351 bracket 2 of BNS 203. Call for the CD and the fixed on 25th. 25th.
It's 23/6.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, booked under section 118, Lordship. And there is two petitioner. One is Wasim Akram and one is Wahida Khatun. Wahida Khatun is a teacher of the school, Lordship. And they kindly come to the page 11. Page 11.
Yes. Please.
11. 1. May I go? সন্মানপূৰ্বক নিবেদন এই যে মোৰ ভাইটি আকৰাম আহমেদ আজি ইংৰাজী 23/5/2028 তাৰিখে ৰাতিপুৱা 9টামান বজাত শিয়ালমাৰী কুটায়নী বজাৰত বজাৰ কৰিব গৈছিল। সেই সময়ত উক্ত আসামীসকলে ষড়যন্ত্ৰমূলকভাৱে 1 নম্বৰ আসামীজনে লগত অচিনাক্ত 3জনক লৈ হাতত চোকা অস্ত্ৰ লৈ হাতুৰি চুৰি আৰু আঙুলিত লগোৱা ফিংগাৰেৰে মোৰ ভাইটিক মূৰত আঘাত কৰে, যাৰ বাবে মোৰ ভাইটি গুৰুতৰভাৱে জখমী হৈ বৰ্তমান বৰভেটি নেমচি হস্পিটেলত চিকিৎসাধীন হৈ আছে। সেয়ে উপায়ন্তৰ হৈ মহোদয়ৰ কাষ চাপিছো। Lordship, the injury is simple one. There is a scuffle between the petitioner number 1, that is Wasim Akram, and the victim, Lordship. But the accused number 2 and 3, that is the parents of the petitioner number 1.
Wife and
Wife, no, Lordship. The Wahida Khatun is the mother.
okay. The mother of Wasim Akram.
Father of Wasim Akram, Sadir Ali and Wahida Khatun has been falsely implicated. They were not at all present in the PO Lordship, place of occurrence. And the Wahida Khatun is a teacher, Lordship. At that point of time, she was in school, Lordship. So my limited submission, Lordship, the petition number 2, Wahida Khatun may be protected and CD may be called for, Lordship, along with the injury report.
Mr. E.P. Sharma, the learned counsel of the applicant, also Mr. D.P. Goswami, directly for the state. This is an application under section 4 BNSS 2023, paying for granting and bill to the accused applicants in connection with the PSS number 377 026. Method was lost by informant raising that the accused persons, including the accused applicants, have assaulted the brother of the informant. Brother of the informant, namely Akram Ahmed, from 23-520-26 in the market area. At Sialmari Utiani market at about 9 p.m. And therefore, and due to that, the informant's brother got seriously injured. On receipt of seriously injured. On receipt of the now case number 377 2026 under the aforementioned section was raised to stop it. The learned counsel accused applicant submits that there was a scuffle between the accused applicant number 1 and the informant's brother. No serious injury was caused to the informant's brother. He further submits that the accused applicant number 2, who is a lady teacher, was in fact not present in the spot when the scuffle happened, and she has been personally implicated in the instant case. In view of the aforesaid, he submits that the accused applicants should be granted interim relief at this stage. Taking into account the submissions made and after perusal of the FI discourses of the considered opinion that the accused applicants should be granted interim relief at this stage, which accordingly it is done that in the event of arrest of the accused applicants, this applicant should be released on interim PRS bail. In PRS bail on furnishing of bail bond of rupees 30,000 each with security of likely because of the arrest and authority, subject to the condition that the accused is selected before the investigating authority within a period of 10 days of this order. Number 2, the accused applicants self-cooperate with the investigation. Then we write call for the CD. Let the case be fixed on.
Interim granted to petitioner number 2 lots.
No, both of them. When?
So 18, another bail petition is pending.
Relating to this.
FL,
Huh?
yes,
Same FL.
same FL, 18,
18.
along with the injury report also,
CD along 20.
deplorable.
My plea, Your Worship. My lord, the petitioner approached this honorable court by filing this application for grant of PRS bail. Agreed with an FIR, which your lordship will find at page 19, my lord.
We call for the CD in the
CD would not suffice, my lord, because police is the adverse party in this case, and the sections those are invoked, my lord, considering the nature of and language of the FIR, those are also bailable. Only one section which is doubtful, which is bailable or non-bailable. So till then, my lord, I should be protected because otherwise police is the opposite party complainant in this case.
Correct. But we'll see. I mean, there are some allegations about.
Yes, but if you
That is a 15-5 look. They have managed to escape till now. Let them stay for a few more days.
no, my lord,
No,
my submission before your lordship is that there are other version of this related to this same occurrence, my lord, which your lordship will find at page 23, my lord. There was a eyewitness of the case. If your lordship will go to translated copy of this version of the informant, Mr. Dharmeshwar Kurmi, second paragraph, my lord, operative portion. Sir, at that time, Mr. Sanjay Gwala,
No interim protection in this case.
President of so-and-so,
No, heard Mr.
A. Paul.
Heard Mr. A. Paul, the learned counsel appearing for the case. We can also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned AP for the state. This is an application of the Section 482 of BNSS 2023, paying for monthly PRS bill to the accused applicant. In connection with Gauhati case number of 2026 registered under sections 121, 126, 132, stroke 1, stroke 221, stroke 351, bracket 2, stroke 189, stroke 353, stroke 3, bracket 5 of BNS. Call for the CD, later material fixed on. Mr. Sarma Ben,
22, 23.
22, Mr.
22 is some difficult that.
23.
20, no, my lord. Will it be 21 or? Because we have not any interim, we are in reasonable apprehension of arrest. Already lot many cases are fixed. Yes.
Okay, 19th will fix it. 19th.
Published.
19th.
Lordship, this is before your lordship following rejection, rejection of similar prayer, lordship, by the learned court below, the session court. So before taking your lordship to the FIR, may I take your lordship to the order of rejection, lordship, that starts from page 25.
What? You want to take me to where?
Order of rejection of similar prayer before the session judge. Page 25. It starts from page 25.
Yes.
The paragraph 5, it starts from the yeah. So the FIR was lodged on 3/5/26, alleging the occurrence an offense on 31/3/26. What happened, lordship? I am actually a relative of the informant case. Informant, lordship. Now, lordship, what happened?
You read the order. You wanted to show me the order. Read the order.
Exactly. May I read it?
Page 26.
Yes. Para 5, relevant portion. The fact of the case in brief are that on 3/5/26, an FIR was lodged by one Narzima Begum at Sanmari PS, stating therein that on 31/3/2026, at about 2:30 p.m., the accused called the informant over phone and informed her that his son was unwell and that he needed her assistance. Believing his request to be genuine, the informant went to the house of the accused. Upon reaching the house, the accused suddenly caught hold of the informant from behind and embraced her forcibly and against her will committed rape upon her. After the incident, the accused threatened the informant that dire consequences and warned her not to disclose the matter to anyone, stating that he would kill her if she revealed the incident. Out of fear, the informant remained silent about the occurrence. However, when she later discovered that she was 1 month pregnant, she disclosed the incident to her sister. On an earlier occasion also, that is during lockdown period, the accused had attempted to molest her. Thereafter, lordship. 6. Based on the FIR, Sunray PS so and so was raised at lordship. Then see paragraph 8, lordship. Page 27. The learned additional PP opposed the bill application considering the gravity of offense. 9. The IO has also submitted written objection in this case, citing the gravity of the offense and the fact that medical report is yet to come. Lordship, considering the nature of allegation, the medical report was sought for. Next, para 10. The victim has appeared in person and submitted an affidavit stating that she has realized that she lost the case due to extraneous influence and she still has good relation and feeling towards the accused. This is the fact that emanated from the proceeding before the learned session judge. Now, at the next page, at paragraph 12, it was observed, considering the material available in case diary, gravity of the offense involved, and also considering the fact that the medical report in this case has not been received. The medical report is very vital, lordship, in this case. Now, even though it was...
So we call for this. We call for the report, sir.
And I'm also a father of a minor son. And the victim, alleged victim, is first cousin of my wife. So
Yes, the proximity was there, that's what. Heard Mr. A.K. Dekha.
yes,
Yes, Dekha, the only counsel, that is for the case application, also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the Lord AP for the state. Is an application under section 482 of the BNSS 2023 for grant, paying for grant of free arrest bail to the accused applicant in connection with Chanmari PS case number 48/2026 under section 64 in bracket 1, stroke 1.7 bracket 2, stroke 351 bracket 3 of BNS 2023. Call for the CD along with the medical report of the victim. Which clear, little matter will be listed on
22nd.
22nd of June.
in the meantime, not so.
Hmm?
In the meantime,
No.
oblige.
Serious offense, Mr. Dekha.
What? Yes,
Serious offense.
oblige.
In this case, I have filed power on behalf of informant.
Hmm?
In this case, I have filed a collectum on behalf of informant.
Why you're opposing?
My lords, what has happened in this case, there was both the informant and the accused, they are known to each other. There was some previous transaction between them. And due to some dispute, there was some physical altercation between them. Counter FIRs have been lodged, your lordship. And in their case, they have tried to give an impression as if that some dacoity was taking place, your lordship. I do not know where that came from. The petitioner, your lordship, though himself the owner of a petrol pump, he will not resort to dacoity in the middle of the night, your lordship, and that too of some trucks, your lordship.
Where is the FIR against you?
The FIR against me, your lordship, will find at page number 25.
So let's. Yes.
And my lords, the FIR which I have lodged,
Hmm.
that your lordship will have at page number 15.
This was lost on 5th of June.
Both were on 5th of June.
Timing?
That was subsequent. Lordship.
Hmm?
His FIR is subsequent.
Mine is 61, his is 60.
Where is the other one?
It's at page number 15, my lords.
Page number
15.
16 is the relevant.
The informant is the accused number 2.
Yes.
My lords, the only non-bailable section is under section 118(2) of previous act. And a totally different color is sought to be given to this entire incident. Your lordship.
We call for the CD.
In the meantime, he'll appear, some interim protection may be granted, your lordship, because otherwise it's only a question of the allegations, your lordship, I understand is grievous, sir. He's willing to appear as and when required, some interim protection, so that the truth of the matter comes out, your lordship.
So it will come out.
Because this may not be a case of custodial interrogation, my
Both the
lords.
CD, let both the CD come also, because here is an allegation lordship where the informant was hit by the butt of an pistol lordship. And medical, he was also admitted in the hospital. So let the medical reports also come,
Very
and
well.
then lordship will take a call.
Till
Lordship
then,
will
some
fix a
protection
short
may
date
be
for-
granted, your lordship.
Short date may be fixed.
I understand this may not be a case of custodial interrogation, my lords. That is what I am saying. That some protection may be granted till that date, and that on that date, my lordship may consider that prayer.
So I have opposing because the person, suppose I am assuming that 61 FIR is correct in total. Does it give license to the petitioner to take a law in own course in the name of a ruling party leader lordship? Habitual offender lordship. Earlier in 25th June also, similar offense has been committed lordship. I have that lordship. Reporting is there.
My lords, media reports,
Where-
perhaps
where-
my learned friend may not
where
like
go
to.
to the society lordship. If lordship kind enough to peruse the see the videograph lordship, what is the gravity of offense they have committed lordship? I have that video lordship.
My lords, here the question of conviction or punishment of the petitioner is not the question, your lordship.
I am not that.
The
lordship.
question is whether
I'm
his
not-
custodial interrogation is necessary,
Yes, very much necessary lordship.
which the informant perhaps may not be able to know.
And lordship,
I am
can you
willing to
see,
appear.
his affair is after 5 hours of my affair. My affair was at lordship received at police station at 7 p.m. and his affair was registered at 11 p.m. lordship. After 5 months, a complex story has been made up.
No, I
The
have
idea of transaction between the party. This is not.
I
a
have
way
I have
to-
included the bank transactions, which
No,
I have those
yes, I
bank
have-
transactions are a part of the record.
For the
my lords.
argument sake, I have admitted lordship. Does it empower him to take the law in his own hands? Can he injure an every veteran with a
And
pistol
perhaps
lordship?
relying upon
Taking
media reports of
fines,
some
lordship.
other cases.
Contact has not been arranged by the police for the base known to them, lordship.
Okay, we will give a short date. We'll call for it now.
Some protect, my lords, my lords, if it is he is arrested,
I'm submitting the video.
my lords, if he is arrested, and my learned friend is relying on unverified media reports, my lords.
No,
If he is,
unverified. I have
and
the
those,
video, lordship.
and I
I
think it
given
is
the
very
police
improper for him to place such a report before a lordship.
And the pen drive
For,
photo, lordship.
because even otherwise the apex court has said such media reports, your lordship, should not be given any credence at all, your lordship. What I am saying, I'll appear before the IO as and when required, some protection till the next date, and on the next date, your lordship may consider my interim prayer. Because otherwise the matter will become infructuous, my lord, if he is taken into custody.
One signal to the society.
So,
also.
my lord, if
Very-
he
very
is trying to
respect.
make it vindictive.
Heard Mr. KP Pathak, the learned counsel, referring to the acting applicant, also heard Mr. V. Sharma, the learned applicant for SK, as well as Mr. Ms. Dutta for the informant. Then is an application under section 2 of BNSS 2023, paying for grant of secretary bail to the accused applicant in connection with Water Road PS case number 60/2026 registered under sections 296 stroke 126 into 2 stroke 11 stroke 11 into 2 stroke 351 into 2 stroke 3 into 5 of BNS 023. That one FR was lost on 562026 by one Sri Anupam Bora, alleging that at about 11:30 p.m. on 4/6/2026, while he was going to Govardhana along with some friends, they found the Borkata road. Borkata to Mirabari main road was completely blocked by several dumper trucks. Semicolon that when they tried to inquire about the opposite blockade, come on. A group of people came rushing to them and and one person holding a pistol struck him 2 or 3 times on his face with the butt of the pistol. It was semicolon. It was alleged that the forced assailant had been identified as Sujit Sarkar. That's semicolon. Sujit Sarkar alias Kepa. That other miscreants accompanying the opposite Sujit Sarkar assaulted the informant with iron rods and sharp weapons, and due to that, he lost consciousness, and he was taken to the Kolkata Medical College. It is seen that on the very same date, another FIR dated 5/6/2026 was lost by the aforesaid Sujit Sarkar. Alleging that while he was sitting in his petrol pump, the accused persons, meaning the FIR, came to the place and came to his petrol pump and started assaulting him. That the assault is that rupees 26 lakhs, which was given on loan to the accused number 3, was not returned to him. And instead of returning the opposite loan amount, the accused persons, including the accused number 2, that is the informant in the other affair, had assaulted the informant. Learning security path the learning council according to whose applicant submits that there may be some assault in the instant case due to certain altercations and misunderstandings regarding the loan payment. However, the informant did not suffer any injury as alleged in the affair. It further submits that he is willing to cooperate with the investigation in the event he is given some interim protection by this court. On the other hand, we learned from APP preparing for the submits that this isn't the case wherein any interim relief should be granted the accused applicant in the instant case, as the matter involves serious injury to the informant. Yes, sir. But preparing for the informant opposes the will, proposes any interim relief to the accused applicant. Taking into account the interprets the case as well as the offense that has been that is released they have been committed by the accused applicant, as well as the fire and cost, which are the incident of a fire and cost of is quoting of the considered opinion that considered opinion that that an interim relief at this case can be granted to the accused applicant. Accordingly, it is direct that in the event of arrest of the accused applicant by the investigating in connection with Borpeta PS case number 60/2026, the accused applicant shall be released on furnishing of bail bond of 2 lakh rupees of like nature to the satisfaction of the Rajasthan authority, subject to the condition that the accused applicant shall appear before the investigating authority within a period of 7 days of passing of this order. Number 2, the accused applicant shall cooperate with the investigation and make himself available as and when called for by the investigating officer. Number 3, the accused applicant shall surrender his driving license, PAN card, photo identity card, as well as the passport, if any, before the investigating officer. Before the investigating officer. Then next one. Call for the CD in connection with Borpeta PS case number 60/2026, as well as, which is the other case?
61.
61
Borpeta Road.
Borpeta Road PS case number 61/2026. Will the matter fixed and when?
Is it what today?
Kindly please to go to the video.
No,
My
I
lord,
mean, I
your
understand it,
unverified video, perhaps my learned friend may not like to place
See,
before you.
for all those things, the trial is there. Trial is, what is there on the Badwari there before the court? I have given.
I fully agree with that, but one thing, Lordship, if this kind of heinous offense is granted,
So please don't, Mr. Doctor, don't make this kind of submissions before this court. This court is aware where bail is to be granted, where not bail is to be granted.
this is my
Correct.
submission, Lordship.
I mean, if you submit that, like if you keep on telling court, then no bail can be granted.
No, that is not, but it is a case one in every
Let the matter
it by a part.
22nd.
Deeply open.
Like it.
We are giving only interim bail, case diary, let the case diary come, you bring those videos, bring all whatever you gather, you place it before the court, bail will be cancelled. We are just giving him interim relief, nothing else.
What was pitching it on?
22nd.
Deeply open.
You just come back in. You get the case diary. A complete stand of the case diary is yet to be received. The last opportunity is given. The last opportunity is given for producing the case diary, complete case diary, complete scan copy of the complete case diary in the instant, in the event of non-submission of the case diary. The officer concerned has to be personally present before this court and explain why case diary was not sent. Let the matter be listed on 22nd. 22nd. If the case diary is not given, let the police officer come and be present here. Personally.
It is from substitute case.
That's the case. And why case diary is required?
My lord, the scan copy of case diary was.
That PCR has come.
Yes, my lord.
come, Lord. But only the order sheets are there, Lord.
The PCR has come already.
CD part needs later, said. CD part.
PCR looks at only the order sheet of the.
But the CD is not there.
Yes.
Okay. Right, then don't write that. Write it.
Case is pending before
Complete-
additional is.
Status of the transporting infinite.
Complete PCR. Complete PCR along with the case diary. We produce before this court on the next day for list. List and matter 27.
Updated status report.
My lord, the case is fixed for, my lord, evidence
Along with
on
the
7
updated-
July.
Along with the updated status.
Obliged.
Please, your lordship.
Issue not available.
109.
There is office not lot.
The Authorised counsel is present for the accused applicant. PCR is still awaited. Still awaited. Let the matter takes on 25th of June.
Obliged.
CD not available.
Lord, he has been in jail for 56 days, my lord.
What is the offense?
My lord, 305, that's theft of vehicle.
Hmm?
Theft of vehicle, my lord. Already seizure list, my lord, is there.
Okay, CD is awaited. Let the matter be listed on 24th of June.
Perhaps a date prior, my lord. Maybe a date in the coming week, my lord.
24th.
Okay.
Yeah, please, your lordship. I think the case there is not
available.
No, kindly before vacation months.
CD is awaited. Let the matter be listed on 23rd of June.
Obliged.
CD received also.
May it please your lordship. This matter, your lordship, the FIR is at page 13, your lordship. The 1-3. Basically, your lordship, the petitioner, there's allegation that the petitioner has taken money from the informant and for giving job, but have not provided the job. Basically, this is the case. This case is of the year 2022. This was registered, your lordship, under section 3162, 3184 and 61 of BNS. Basically, earlier, your lordship, 420 cheating and 406. Now, your lordship, my case here is, this was specifically stated that these matter took the, incident took place in the year 2022. In 2022, they have lost the FIR in 2026 after 4 years, your lordship. Now the question arises, your lordship, because at that point of time, it was IPC. Now they have registered in BNS. Now there is a technical glitch on that, number one. Number two, your lordship, 22. Now this petitioner was arrested on 24/4/26.
Registered the case in 18/3/2026.
2026.
So BNS will come.
But the incident was of 2020.
That's fine. I mean, that doesn't matter.
And one more thing, your lordship, is already arrested on 24/4/2026. Is already today 49 days have elapsed, your lordship. Now, your lordship, what has happened? It is for the In para 6, I have already stated, Your Lordship, that though this petitioner was alleged to have taken money from the informant, Your Lordship, in fact, there's another person named Obinas Bora, that is at page 5, Your Lordship will see in para 6. This one person named Obinas Bora, who actually has promised para 6, Your Lordship.
But there is no allegation against Avinash Bora.
Yes, I'm just pointing it out, Your Lordship. This Avinash Bora has promised to provide job and has already taken 27 lakhs from me. And this amount was transferred, Your Lordship. The transfer,
But see, whoever is involved, that's a different thing.
whatever, Your
So
Lordship.
you have given Avinash Bora or somebody else, but like inducement is from your part.
No, there was this Bora has actually given the
His statement also it will clarify everything. Only his statement also will do that. Green flag also subsequent only. That is important. Yes, green flag.
Two statements are there.
Yes, he was interrogated repeatedly. This is very enlightening.
Lordship. One more thing, Your Lordship.
Serious allegations, Mr.
The allegations are there. One more thing, Your Lordship. These three sections, section 316 to 380 and 61. The maximum punishment is in 318. 318 maximum punishment is 7 years. Now, Your Lordship, secondly, in this case, Your Lordship, less than 7 years or 7 years, notice should have been given under section 35(3). That was not given to me. Directly, I was arrested after the FIR. Now, Your Lordship knows that there's already a judgment by the Honorable Supreme Court that up to 7 years, notice has to be given and the arrest should not be done. And even if in some cases, bail should be granted up to the period of 7 years in cases where Your Lordship thinks that it can be given. Now, Your Lordship, what has happened in this case? These are the two issues. Number one, though it has been alleged by the informant that this petitioner has taken some money for granting jobs. But in fact, the petitioner has also given the money to another person named Avinash Bora, who in fact told the petitioner about the job, and he has transferred the money. And I think that transfer was done through a bank. So it is a recorded, it can be, the investigation can get through that money has been transferred from the account of the petitioner to Avinash Bora. Now he has not been named, Maybe because the informant has not known about it. Anyway, that is one point, Your Lordship. Now, Your Lordship, second part is already, this is a 60 days, Your Lordship. The mandatory period is 60 days. He's already 49 days in custody. Everything has been seized. Bank account has been, Your Lordship, taken. The whatever mobile and everything, whatever has been seized, and I think the investigation is practically completed, Your Lordship. Whether further detention in this case is necessary. It is not a case of, Your Lordship, somehow where all the documents and all the proofs of transfer of money can be proved by documents, Your Lordship. Basically, that is the fact.
My submission also investigate today is 47 days. And Lordship will kindly see
7 days.
47 days to my calculation. And Lordship, here it is not a simple case of defrauding and cheating, Lordship. The informant was given vocational training letters, joining letter, appointment letter issued by the OIL. Thereafter, Lordship, this is not the only defrauded person, Lordship. There are other persons, Lordship. Investigation is going on. And in that regard, Lordship, one more GD entry was made in Lichubari, Lordship, against the same person. That is Lichubari OP GDE entry number 522 dated 29/4/26. So he is collecting money from different persons. All these have been ascertained. So in my respect of submission, Lordship, let the CD be updated. Next week, Lordship, again it will be taken up. Because Lordship, 47 days is not enough. Investigation is still going on.
But Mr. Whereas Manman, the relevant to the payment of his applicant also has he submitted whether that the city in the instant case is updated and with an updated city may be required for the verification of the mistake on second.
So next week, Your Lordship, will be 17, 18, we have a 19th month.
22nd, Lordship.
22nd. Let them come back with the update.
But that time, I think the period will also be over.
47 days.
Yes. 22nd.
Very nice.
22nd, how, it will be how many days?
59 days.
59 days.
No, Lordship, I put it on 18th.
Put it on 18th then it is. 18th?
Then 19, look.
19th, I am not available. It's 18th.
18th.
Let us try on 18th.
18th. Look at the listed on it.
Obliged.
24, Lordship, CD has not been issued.
27 days they are behind a bar, Lordship. During the pendency of the present application, Lordship, the search sheet has already laid, Lordship. Search sheet has already laid. I had the copy of the search sheet, Lordship. Initially, it was registered under section 21, subclause 2, which is tribal legislation, legislation judge, Lordship. Now, search sheet has been laid under section 21, subclause 1. Tribal by the judicial magistrate, first class, Lordship. Your 27 days they are behind a bar, Lordship. And the petition number 2 has already released on bail, Lordship.
It can be closed in, Lordship, since Tassit has been submitted.
Go there, season server, season.
Lordship.
There is an interim.
One person, Lordship.
Petition number 2. Directions may be issued to release the present petitioner also, Lordship. Accusation is that the present petitioner obstructed the police personnel from discharging their official duties, Lordship, by using criminal words, Lordship. And that is why initially it was registered under section 21.
So you go there before whom CGM,
SGGM, Lordship.
SDGM.
Lordship.
As far as this person is concerned, you are already on interim. So you can.
Petition number 2 is released on bail.
Huh?
Petition number
Correct. He's released on interim bail.
Lordship.
Oh, he's already released.
Released, Lordship.
What is the allegation? Where?
Lordship, find the affidavit page 20, Lordship.
20.
20, Lordship. Information is the SI, Lordship, of the station, Lordship.
Hmm?
Information is the police officer, Lordship, SI, Lordship, of that police station, Lordship, Zonai police station, Lordship.
Who has been granted bail? Kennedy.
No, Lordship.
Other one.
Bhagyamoney time, Lordship.
Heard Mr. B.K. Gopal when I have counsel. Paying for the case of the council. Also heard Mr. Mr. B. Sharma, an application from the state. This is an application and this is for the 50 of the NSS. 2023, paying for granting bail back applicants in connection with the PS case law 36/26 registered under sections 121 bracket 2 stroke 122 stroke 296 stroke 52 stroke 3 right of PNS 2023. This the code ordinance of this law that operated 26/2026 has already released one of the accused persons, namely by government time the accused applicant number 2 on the it is submitted to this court that charge sheet. You have the charge sheet number?
Yes, sir.
The charge sheet in these four cases already been filed by charge sheet number
4326, Lordship.
43.
4326 oblique 2026, Lordship.
Uh,
Dated 26 to 2026.
before which code?
SDGM Zonai.
As this in July. Which so the valid counsel, if going to the accused applicant submits that that since the charge sheet has been already filed, the accused applicant will be appeared before the trial court presently required and their custodial or the custodial detention of use number 1 and 3 will not be required in the instant case. Taking into account the aspects of the effects of the case, this court is going to select opinion that the accused applicant number 1 and 3 should be allowed to be released on bail on punishing of bail on rupees 20,000. It's usually of like nature. Subject, like nature. The satisfaction of the SDGM.
SDGM zone nine.
SDGM denied. To the condition that the accused applicants should cooperate or shall appear before the trial court as in when called. In evoked terms, the assembly application is disclosed to the result.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
That's it submitted, Lordship. My pleasure.
Go and appear there, Lordship. Heard you say, only the learned counsel paying for the fees of taking, also heard you so be sure when I get you for the state. These in application was for your PMCs, paying for the accused applicants in connection with purpose to case number 3.02205. We should know that charge sheet in the instant case has already been filed by charge sheet number. Charge sheet number, Mr. Salman?
Yes, Lordship. Charge sheet number 167/26 dated 30/05/26.
In view of the process, assistant real application is
167 actually.
with the direction of the office applicants. Make his applicant to approach the jurisdiction court for appropriate relief if so advised. Instant the application is disposed. Instant the application is disposed.
Much obliged.
He not received, Lordship.
CD is awaited, listed on.
Can it be on 18, Lordship, if possible?
No, so let it be on 24.
18, Lordship, 24, last, Lordship.
19th.
Lordship. Much obliged, Lordship. Much.
Matter may be passed over for the time being.
CDS come, we'll pass over for them.
May I please your lordship. Lordship, in this case, lordship, case diary was called for and the petitioner is on interim lordship.
Oh, good, yeah. Okay, here, the CD needs to be updated, Lordship. From March, it is lying here, Lordship.
Updated CD is not received. Let the matter be listed on 18 June.
Interim to be continued, my lord.
Interim notice of password is continuing to the next.
Highly appraised. Lordship, senior is in another court. And he pass over the matter for the time being.
He has appeared before the statement has been recorded.
We will dispose it out.
Yes.
Nothing.
Abatement of suicide, Lordship. Only thing, Lordship, there was a telephone call between the petitioner and the wife. She is his wife, Lordship. And there was some quarrel between them. Only that much, Lordship. He committed suicide.
Your name?
Mohibul Haq.
Also, there is a vision repeated for the state. This is an application in section of BNSS. Repeat to BNSS. Paying for grant of PRS bail to the accused of international municipal PS case number 1062 stroke 2025 raised by under section 108 of the BNS.
I'm sorry, my lord, I mean, another point, my lord.
The scope wide order applications. Which is the interim order?
Interim order, 7/11/25. If I'm not wrong.
By order dated 7/11/2025. Granted interim PRS bail to the accused applicant. Accused applicant with the direction to appear before with the direction to the accused applicant to appear before the investigating party within 10 days from the passing of the official order. The learned counsel appearing for the accused applicant submits that in terms of the official order dated 7/11/2025, the accused applicant has already appeared for the investigating authority and what is statement recorded. Is there in the instant case has been received? It is seen that in terms of the procedure of the second 11/2025, the accused applicant has already appeared before the investigating authority and he is cooperating with the investigation. Just to NDA the proceed, the instant the NDA the proceed, the interim PRS bail dated 7/11/2025 is made absolute with the same terms and conditions as stated in the order dated 7/11/2025. The instant the application is disposed.
Hello.
You want?
That's it, submitted, Lord.
May it please your lordship, in this matter, the charge sheet has been submitted, trial has also started, and all the accused persons have appeared before the trial court.
This becomes infectious.
Hmm?
This becomes infectious.
Lord MS.
S. Tisha Sultana.
So the learned counsel appearing for the accused applicants. Also, for the state. This is the application of the PRS doing now specifically to the accused and in connection with what of PS case number 225/2025. Based on sections 159 in the 15. Now, scope 329 the court, scope 24, scope 118 of BNS. Submission submits the charge sheet in the instant case has already been filed. My charge sheet number
Charge sheet number 01/26 dated 8/1/26.
Indeed, therefore, the instant claim to the application is closed from the direction. You have already appeared.
Yes, sir.
You already appeared before trial court.
Yes, sir.
In view of therefore, then you write, the learned counsel appearing for the accused applicant submit with the accused applicants have already appeared before the trial court. Before the trial court. In view of therefore, the instant the application is closed. Understood.
Yes, suffered from the informal order.
Write his name, use it.
Very serious case, mother, because of the charge sheet, he said, I'm handicapped, mother.
No, you do whatever you want to do there.
I'm obliged now.
32 lordship, CD has been received. This is a case of lordship marrying during the substantial of another marriage. He was already married. He had a relationship with this woman lordship, informant. They stayed together, had physical relationship lordship, and subsequently he abandoned her. So this FIR was lodged.
But in time he appeared, statement accorded lordships, and my lord, all the sections are available except my lord 85, section 85, that is my lord, cruelty, my lord, that is 498A earlier. So my lord, maximum period is up to 3 years lordships. So, my lord, my statement already recorded. I have appeared, lordship.
Getting how do you say,
Ma'am.
counsel according to the accused applicant also had the position of the law for the state. You are submitting.
I am already responding to my form.
Necessary so for his common member please. This is application under section 483 of the BMSS to be quickly for grant of fees with the accused applicant. Which is the case number?
My lord, 86.
Old woman,
Connection
PS
with
old woman PS case 86/25.
registered under sections are there.
Yes, registered under 318 subsection 2,
Hmm.
82 subsection 2, and 85
85.
for BL.
Uh, This a coordinate bench of this court by order declared 19/12/2045 has granted income,
On 1912.
Huh?
On 1912.
is interim bail, in connection with interim bail to the accused applicant. With the condition that the accused applicant shall cooperate with the investigation. The learned counsel according to the accused applicant submits that in terms of the opposite order of the 2025, the accused applicant has already appeared before the investigating officer and got his statement recorded and cooperating with the investigation. Mr. Has confirmed that the accused applicant has appeared before the investigating process, which taking into account their submission is quoted with the considered document that the interim order passed on 19/12/2025 should be made absolute in the same terms and conditions. The conditions according the instant application was disposed of by confirming the interim order dated 19/12/2025. Which was passed by this court, which instant the application is disposed of allowed.
Deep down.
Does it submitted also? Petitioner is an interim.
The PRS bill lordship, they are already on interim and lordship appeared before the IO lordship. And lordship will kindly see the
It's submitted.
SARS.
Does it submitted? Will go there.
Lord.
I use it as convened and responsibility is the applicant. So how the probation and executive state is in application for of BNSS, BNSS paying for 1,000 for BNS bill to the business regulation. The book of PS case number 232. It needs to be shown on the APP submits that Sarsic in the instant police has already been filed by Sarsic number
10/26 dated 29/1/26.
view the accuracy the learned counsel preparing for the accused defendant submit that he should be allowed to appear before the jurisdiction of relief. So, in the proceed, because direct that it is the taking the account that process. The instant AV application is disposed of with the direction to the accused applicant to appear before the jurisdiction is court within a period of 15 days. 15 days from today. From today. Till the date of his appearance, the interim notice will pass on 9/1/2026 shall continue. In terms of the possible instant the application disposal. Within 15 days, we
Lord, Lordship,
at
yeah.
15 days, this interim order will be there.
Much obliged, your lordship, much obliged.
35, Lordship, petitioner is an interim, he has appeared before the.
Yeah,
IO.
please, Lordship.
And Lordship, he is around 60,
Lordship, kindly possible for the time there. My senior is out another score.
he is around 65 years of age. And here Lordship, remember two accused were appearing before Lordship. The name were similar, Lordship. This is also Lordship Amjad Ali, alias Amjad Ali. And I found Lordship there are three Amjad Ali. Specific name, Lordship, father's name, his father's name, I have corroborated, Lordship. It doesn't tell you.
Match.
Doesn't match.
So this is also different Amjad.
Yes, Amjad Ali. And he was granted interim on 8/1/26. All the witnesses have mentioned one Amjad Ali is speaking, but
Granted bail interim on
8/1/26.
8/1/26. Not Mr. S. Nawaz the Learned Counsel, the clinical accused applicant also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the Learned APT for the state. Is in application under section 482 of PNSS 3 paying for PRS bail. The accused applicant in connection with Chunari PS case number 5/2025 raised under sections 189 in the 34 stroke 190 stroke 190 under 50 stroke 109 1182 stroke 151 of the NSPD. The court bench of this court by order dated 1/8/1/2026 granted interim bail to the accused applicant with the condition the accused applicant shall go for investigation. The learning council again to the accused applicant submit the influence of the accused order dated 8/1/2026. The accused applicant has already appeared for the investigation and got his statements recorded. The same the opposite is when confirmed by the speak. Taking into account the proceed order interim bail order 8/1/2026 is made absolute with the same terms and conditions as stated in order 8/1/2026. In what to be application is disclosed.
647.
Your Lordship, in item 36 and 37, CD is not available.
CD not available. They are on interim look.
CD is awaited. Interim order so fast as is distributed and will listed on
25th.
25th.
Much appreciated.
Kindly look at the last one.
The report has
CD
come.
not available.
Has come.
Yeah, it is. No case has been registered, Lord.
Heard Mr. R. Amin, the learned counsel, declaring for the accused applicant, also Mr. B. Sharma. And also Mr. K. Das, the learned deputy. The instant application under section 482 of the NS 2023 has been filed by the accused applicant. In connection with the presentation dated 17/8/2026 before the Superintendent of Police about Assam. Assam. Though the accused applicant did not have any details of any case filed against him. In view of the aforesaid, the report was sought from Alvastia Police Station, Borpata. Alvastia Special Police Station, Borpata, and the report has been received by the learned. What is the report? And the report has been received, produced before his court by the learned APP.
No case has been registered.
Learned APP. Just give me the report. Keep it on record. report addressed to the public, the office of the public prosecutor, which has been produced before this court. The same is kept on record by marking X. The report reveals that there is no case. Report dated 9/6/2026. The proceed report reveals that no case has been filed against the accused applicant as yet. In view of the opposite, there is no apprehension. In view of the opposite, the instant AB application is dismissed.
Plus minus. In this case, he did not receive.
Lordship, direct bills with the alia order, Lordship, this is the fifth time the city has not received.
Report was called for.
Not, he did not.
Lordship, this is the fifth time, Lordship.
Why CD is not coming?
There is a reminder also.
You have sent a message, Lordship.
Now you please communicate with the concerned police officer.
No.
Why these CDs are not being sent?
Automatic solid, I will personally communicate.
You communicate me, tell him, no, otherwise he has
Not-
come personally.
Not,
It cannot go on like this. 5-6 times CD is not.
not,
CD in the instant case is yet to be received.
it's
The learned EPP is directed to take instructions as to why the CD has not been sent by the concerned police officer. So the learned APPs have intimated this court on the court about the status of CD on the next date fixed, that is on 18th of June. In the event of receipt of the CD on the next date received, the officer concerned shall have to be present personally for this court.
Obliged, Lordship.
Make please, Your Lordship. This is a pre-arrest bail, my lord. The Lordship will find the FIR, my lord, at page 7, my lord.
CD has come.
city council.
Where is page
Page 7, my lord.
FIR?
7, my lord. Last paragraph, my lord. Yesterday, my lord, from there.
Yes.
My lord, I have narrated the fact, my lord, page 3, my lord, paragraph 5, my lord. Page 3, paragraph 5, my lord, third line, my lord. Paragraph 5, third line, my lord. It is stated that on behalf of the petitioner, that the fact that deceased was a habitual consumer of alcohol, and he used to overconsume liquor regularly, my lord. He is a, my lord, alcoholic man. The rest, my lord, from the diary.
Here from the, if I look into the FIR lordship, in the FIR lordship, it is clearly stated their allegations are dear lordship. That this person
Is there in the CD?
in the city, I have seen lordship, that no poison has been found. However, it has been, the death was as a result of injuries sustained over head. And other injuries are also there, which are caused by blunt force lordship. In the lordship, again in the inquest report also, there is bleeding over in near the nose area. So it is due to injuries, not because of alcoholic lordship. And moreover, if I look into the FIR, what I have tried to focus lordship, he is a kind of a broker, land dealer lordship, and he attempted earlier also attack him.
J. Dr. the learned counsel referring to the accused applicant also heard Mr. K.K. Das, the learned AVP for the state. This is an application under section 482 of BNSS 2023, playing for pre-arrest bail for the accused applicant in connection with Balpita PS case number 18/2026 under section 103 of BNS 2023. An FIR was lodged on 11/1/2026 by one Wahab Ali, alleging that the accused, the named accused in the FIR, that is named accused in the FIR, that is Haider Ali.
Haidar Mia alias
Haider Ali alias Haider Mia, who is a land broker, had been continuously pressurizing his father for selling a particular piece of land to semicolon, that on 9/1/2026 at around 5 p.m. the complainant's father left home by bicycle, but he did not return. Return home. Semicolon, that on 10/1/2026 at around 8 a.m. 8 a.m. the bicycle of the bicycle of the father of the complainant was found, and upon a further search, this father was found beside the river Saulkhua, wherein his body was found lying dead, dead with injury marks all over his face and forehead. On the learned counsel appearing for Mr. Dr. Learned counsel appearing to the accused applicant submits that the accused that the victim person is an alcoholic and he is in the habit of consuming alcohol on daily basis, and due to that the victim may have died. So CD in the instant case has been produced before this court, and this court has produced the CD after finding sufficient incriminating material. After finding prima facie sufficient incriminating materials against the accused applicant, this court doesn't find any merit in the instant AD application, and the same is hereby dismissed.
I'm obliged.
Lordship, Lordship. Item number 46, CD has not received any call for CD. 47. 47. I'm on interim, Lordship.
47 at CD is awaited. CD is awaited. Interim order so past shall continue till the next day of listing. The matter will be listed on 24th June.
25.
Pardon, sir.
J Nabi Lordship. Lordship J Nabi Lordship.
J.
J Nabi, NABI.
So, and so the learned counsel appearing for the accused applicant also heard Mr. K.K. Das, the learned APB for the state. This is an application under section 43 of BNSS. BNSS praying for granting pre-arrest bail to accused applicants in connection with Pathakandi PS case number 28/2026 registered under sections 329(2) stroke 3 stroke 296 stroke 118(2) stroke 3(5) of BNS. The case arose out of an FIR dated 18/3/2026 lodged by one Anwara Khatun, naming 7 accused persons with the allegations of assault and causing injuries to her family members who had to be hospitalized. The learned and this court by its order dated 7/4/2026 all have been granted in interim.
Yes, Doctor.
By order dated
Interim may be extended.
A coordinate bench of this court by order dated 7/4/2026 has granted interim PRS bail to the accused applicants. First, the learned AP submits the charge sheet in the instant case has already been filed by charge sheet number
36,
36
2026,
2026 dated
dated 14/4/2026.
First, when counsel for the accused applicant submits that this would be allowed to appear on the jurisdictional court for appropriately stop. In view of proceeding, the instant AV application is disposed of for the election to the accused applicants to appear before the learned jurisdictional court within a period of 15 days of this order. And till their appearance, the interim orders were passed earlier on 7/4/2026 shall continue. In the above grounds, the instant AV application is disposed of.
Pursuant to honorable court's order, matter, petitioner appeared before the IO.
They are on interim law.
CD not available.
Not available.
Appeared pursuant to honorable court's order.
Okay, heard Mr. N. Bora, the Learned Counsel appealing for the accused applicants, also heard Mr. K. Das, the appeal for the state. CD is awaited, let them be listed on 25th March 2026. Interim orders were passed earlier, so we continue in the next letter of the state.
Can it be on 25th, in 24 or 26? 26 might be.
24th.
24. Much.
This case charge sheet submitted.
Okay, Mr. S. K. Sinha, Learned Counsel appealing for the accused applicant. Also, Mr. K. Das, the Learned appealing for the state. This is an application under section 482 of BNSS 2023, praying for grant of PRS bail to the accused applicant in connection with Hosai PS case number 85/2026 under section 74/117/2/118/2/3/5 of BNS 2023. This coordinate bench of this court by the order dated 7/5/2026 has granted interim PRS bail to the accused applicant with this applicant with the direction to appear before the investigating officer within 7 days. Mr. K. Das, the if he submits that charge sheet in the instant case has already been filed by charge sheet number
73/2026, dated 29/05/2026.
In view of the proceeding, the Learned Counsel appealing for the accused applicant submits that he should be allowed to appear before the jurisdictional court for appropriate relief. Accordingly, the instant AV application is disposed of the direction to the accused applicant to appear before the jurisdictional court within the period of 15 days of passing of this order. And till his appearance before the jurisdictional court, the interim orders were passed earlier on 7/5/2026 shall continue. In the work terms, the instant AV application is disposed of. Like this matter, anticipatory bail application.
CD available. CD available.
She will find FIR at page 12, my lord. Well, before moving to the FIR, my lord, just I'd like to highlight on some fact. This is the second FIR. The first FIR was filed by us a day prior to this filing of the second FIR, and as a counter FIR, they have filed this, against which we have come here for interim meeting. Well, may I read, my lord? Page number 12. With due respect, I submit that on 21/3/2026 at about 8 AM, the accused number 1 mentioned below, along with his elder brother so-and-so, forcefully took my nephew so-and-so while he was passing through the road of our village to their house with some evil intention and started assaulting him. Later, upon hearing hearing cries and shouting, we came to know of the incident, and when all the members of our family proceeded to the place of occurrence, the accused persons mentioned below also surrounded us and started assaulting us with bamboo sticks and sharp weapons with the intention to kill us. With the help of local people, we somehow managed to save our lives. However, my nephew so and so, so and so, and so and so sustained injuries, and so and so and so and so sustained grievous injuries. Immediately, they
Yes, Mr. Das, is there any, what is there?
Injury report is there, Lordship.
What is that?
According to injury report, Torebuddin, Monira, Begum, and Jahidul Haq, Lordship, they are all grievous. And Lordship, the statement of this person are also there, victim person. They have implicated this point. Otherwise, their interim is there and the statements are recorded.
My lord, may kindly for a moment, my lord, may kindly come to page number 24. Now, we have lost this FIR on 16/4/2024. On 21/3/2026, the incident happened. We are busy in treatment because our family members, entire family members were injured, my lord, including all female members. Now, what happened actually, my lord, there's a quarrel taking place between a member of our family and their family. And out of that quarrel, all the people of their family, all the accused mentioned here in the first FIR, the accused are the victim in the second FIR. They have implicated them as victims. They came out and, my lord, they trespassed our house and they have, my lord, assaulted us. Lordship will kindly see the photographs. I have also annexed the photographs, my lord. This is the condition. My lord, page number 35.
They've appeared in.
I have appeared, my lord.
Otherwise, Lordship, they're missed.
Ahmed, the learned consultant for the accused applicants also heard Mr. P.K. Das, the deputy for the state. Reason application under section 482 of BNSS 2023 granting for pre-arrest bail to the accused applicant. Accused applicants in connection with Chapel PS case number 41/2026 under section 191(2) stroke 126(2) stroke 118(2) stroke 353(5) of BNS 2023. An FIR was lodged on 16/4/2026, 2026. Alleging a quarrel and altercation took place between the family of the informant and the accused persons, whereby the accused persons inflicted severe injuries on the person of the accused, person of the family members of the accused, of the informant. Also, the coordinate bench of this court by order of 25/2026 has granted interim relief, interim pre-arrest bail to the accused applicants with the condition that the accused applicants shall appear before the investigating officer within 7 days. Also, the learned counsel opinion for the accused applicants submits that in terms of the aforesaid order at 25/2026, the accused applicants have already appeared before the investigating officer and got their statements recorded. The aforesaid fact was next, the aforesaid fact was confirmed by the learned TPP, preparing for the state to stop. Taking into account the aforesaid facts, this court is of the considered opinion that the interim order, so interim pre-arrest bail order dated 25/2026 should be made absolute. Accordingly, the interim pre-arrest bail granted to the accused applicants by order dated 25/2026 is made absolute with the same terms and conditions as stated there. In above terms, the extraordinary application is disposed of.
I'm grateful, Mayor. Deeply obliged.
May I please sit? The previous bail application, Lordship will find vernacular
Not
page at
available.
16, my lord.
It is not available.
This is the second time, my lord.
I had
Yes.
made a prayer, Lordship, because
What is her name?
Yeah, how are you, man?
Heard Mr. A. Hawari, the learned counsel.
Short date may be given copying of them.
Also heard Mr. K.K. Das, the deputy for the state. CD in the instant page is yet to be received with the method listed on 22/6/2026.
Can it be shorter, my lord? It's a Hati of wrong.
Recorded
There is no entry, my lord. So that is
19 look.
19.
of laws.
27.
May I please, your lordship? The gist of the allegation is that in a running train, after leaving at morning 8 when train left Coachbihar station, I have misbehaved one lady, and then I was brought down at Barpeta Road, and with an allegation that I have committed rape with another lady. My contentions in this bill petition is, lordship, violation of the constitutional rights. Neither 36 complied with, neither 47 complied with, neither 48 complied with, lordship. I am behind the bar for last 45 days, lordship. Even I was not produced within 24 hours of arrest. My FIR is at, lordship, page 15. Page 17, lordship, practically.
You are an army personnel.
Yes, lordship. May I draw your kind attention, lordship, page 23, lordship. With the arrest memo, lordship, here. Violation of 36, no signature of any independent witness, not to speak about any relative, lordship, has been taken here, lordship. Only the signature available, name and address to whom, so for every convey information notice sent to the wife through WhatsApp. She was a resident of UP, district Chandeli.
It will be served.
Lordship. It was, no, even they
If
can
it is-
took the state, they can signature of a railway master also, station master.
What?
Railway station master, any respected person. Once I have been detained, they can take any respected person also, not only of the family member, lordship. This is one aspect, lordship. I was detained on 26. That is as per the FIR, lordship, page 14. But I was shown arrested only on 27/4, column number 5, date and time of arrest. No time was given when I was arrested. I have given a statement, lordship. I was produced before the magistrate at 3 p.m. on 27. That is much after 24 hours of my detention. Second part, lordship, I would like to draw kind attention on page number 24, lordship. The 47 notice, lordship. I have given the typed copy, lordship. 25 is the given copy. The details grounds of such arrest, lordship. May I read, lordship? The accused person is an FIR named accused. sufficient evidence found against him for committing offense of the instant case. The accused person admitted about his guilt and confessed that he has committed the crime. What offense I have committed? Not a single whisper has been made, Lordship. As required under Bihan Kumar and the series of judgments up to Rajesh Mihir, Sir, Lordship. Not a meaningful conveyance have been made to me, Lordship. Same is the page 26, Lordship, notice under 48. It was sent through WT message. There is no, most probably in the city, there will be no proof that it has been served on me or my family member.
How the proof will be brought?
So definitely they will bring some record. Yes, it has been served.
But you tell me what, how it is to be communicated? and how it
Return
is
copy,
to be-
Lordship. Receipt copy with a return.
Hmm.
As normally our service reports comes, Lordship. That yes, it has been served, maybe as per Rajesh Mihir within a reasonable time. Maybe on the next day, maybe day after on the next day. So 47 not complied, 36 signature of any respectable person not complied with, Lordship. So I will rely on judgments, Lordship, passed by even your Lordship. So for 24 hours concerned, Lordship, production, I am relying on 3 judgments, Lordship. This is Kiran Singh, Sejo Puro, and Honorable Supreme Court in the Director of Enforcement Subhas Sharma. So for 36 compliance, Lordship, this Honorable Court in case of Wahidur Rahman, Wahidur Ali and another, Sebul Hussain Laskar, Lordship, categorical 36 non-compliance is vitiates the arrest. So coded
Mr. Das,
Yes, Lordship, that I can sit here, Lordship. In the Lordship, the production warrant, Lordship, it has been stated that section 47 and 48 has been given. And one thing I have found, one WT message is there because he belongs to the Uttar Pradesh, Lordship, to communicate the whole thing, Lordship, information. But I have not found 47, 48, 36 nowhere in the CD. And regarding materials, I want to state that, Lordship,
the 47, 48 is not there.
not there. So it needs to be updated, Lordship.
No, I have given the certificate copies, Lordship.
I have also not found 35 also, 36, 35, Lordship.
35 is not okay.
No, sorry,
36. Arrest note is there.
36.
Arrest note is there. I
I
have
have
given the
not
certificate
found.
copies. Certificate copies are with me also.
And regarding materials, I can state that, Lordship, 183 statement has been recorded. There clearly,
He's arguing on non-compliance of this mandatory.
because I have not found your, Lordship.
These are the certificate copies, Lordship. I am giving you. These are the certificate copies of the court. I have annexed the bail petition also.
CD is not available.
CD is there, Lordship.
No, it's not there. This is this.
No, Lordship.
That it has to come.
That is why, Lordship,
Lordship, I have given the certificate copies, Lordship,
that-
because it is a clear case of constitutional violation, Lordship.
CD has to be seen.
Because they have to give a forwarding report also, Lordship.
I understand. I mean, you may have a case, but only thing is that CD has to be verified.
Lordship.
But it's a offense is not a simple offense.
Yes.
The allegation against is something very
No,
serious.
even a grievous offense, Lordship, when constitutional rights have been violated from right beginning.
That let the court I mean verify this. Let the CD be completed.
Might be tomorrow, Lordship.
Tomorrow, how can this
How
CD
soon
be
is
complete?
it?
How much time will take, Mr. Das? Why the CD is not complete?
I need to confirm, Lordship, why it is not completed.
Why it is not complete? That's what you need. I mean, you need to talk to your
Lordship.
talk to your people. And how can they send these CDs without relevant documents?
I have not found, Lordship. In the order sheet I have found in the production.
Mr. Poddar, you'll have to wait for a couple of days. He may have a case, but thing is that the court has to verify it.
They will verify.
Court has to see.
It is
the-
because Rangia lordship, Rangia
See
GRP,
the CD.
Rangia GRP lordship. Maybe day after
We'll
tomorrow
put
lordship,
it up in the next week.
day after tomorrow
But
lordship.
Mr. S.K. Poddar, the learned counsel.
I am behind the bar for 45 days.
Poddar, the learned counsel, appearing for the accused applicant. Also, Mr. K.K. Das, the learned KPP for the state. The learned KPP submits that though the CD is available, certain relevant documents like notice under section 47 and 48 of BNSS are not available in the CD. He prays for and the production of the complete CD. Let the matter be listed on
Maybe on 16th the court will not hold lordship. 15th lordship.
16. Let the matter be listed on 19th. 19th June.
Not much of that.
Maybe a short date kindly lordship.
19th June is fine. I don't think it will come before that.
Rangia GRP lordship. It is only for Rangia lordship. Over telephone he can bring the other papers lordship.
On 19 lot. Or on 18 lot. Or on 18.
Make it on 16.
But
16 lords. Okay.
16 lot.
Oblige lords.
You want to take back this? You can take back 6.
May I please have it, sir?
Criminal revision present to the I for what?
I for condonation of delay, lordship. And there is a delay of 168 days, lordship. And earlier occasion, lordship, directed to take steps to the respondent. And already we have taken steps for 2 times. And as per office note dated 6/6/26, lordship, item has been delivered to the addressee on 4/5/26, lordship. The lordship says she may not be interested to participate in the matter, lordship. So delay may be condoned, lordship. Already we have sent a notice.
Right, heard your name?
G Decca.
G. Dekha, the London Council, appearing for the applicant. The instant application. Under section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 has been filed for condonation of delay of 168 days in preparing the connected revision petition. From the office map dated 6/6/2026, it is seen that the notice on respondent number 2 has been delivered to the addressee on 4/5/2026. However, none has appeared on behalf of respondent number 2. This court has gone through the contents and explanation of delay in filing the revision, connected revision petition, which provided. Which paragraphs? It has
Lordship,
provided in paragraph.
delay, lordship, stated in paragraph number 10 from 9 to lordship 12, lordship.
Paragraph numbers 9 to 12.
Applicant was not
9 to 12, 9 to 12. Full stop. After being satisfied with the explanation given in the aforesaid paragraphs, this instant IA is allowed. Accordingly, the instant IA is disposed of. disposed of by allowing the application for condemnation by condoning the delay of 168 days. Let the connected revision petition be listed after 2 weeks, after 3 weeks. I is disposed of. There is condone.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Sorry to interfere, my lord. In item number 50, without taking our consent, the petitioner mentioned this matter, my lord. The FIR was lodged in the year 2011 and the session judge issued summary in the.
Appearing for whom?
I am for respond number 2.
Which item?
Item 50. It's a pending matter, my lord, from 2019.
It was already mentioned in the morning itself.
Yes, my lord, without our consent, my lord.
You talk to them.
A date may be given,
You
my.
talk to them. I mean, whatever order has been passed. Can't be done anything. You talk to the learned counsel appearing for the other side.
But they are intentionally delayed the matter.
No, I mean, I don't know. Non-appeared for the petition.
This is a case lordship by the state, filed by the state lordship. There is a delay lordship. I have found a delay petition. Lordship may kindly fix it tomorrow if possible, lordship. If possible, lordship, kindly fix it tomorrow.
Where is the IA?
Lordship,
Two appeals.
to appeal, lordship. Delay is there. I have not found the IA lordship in the file, lordship. So kindly fix it tomorrow, lordship, if possible, lordship.
Tomorrow, next week.
No.
None appeared for the
We are state is that party, lordship.
and then none appeared for the respondent of the petitioner, the learned APP for the state appellant is present. For the interest of justice, let the matter be listed in the next week.
May I please, Your Lordship? I am for the applicant, Sabnam Siddhika, and we have taken steps on last step, Your Lordship, as per order of this honorable court.
Service report awaited, let the matter be listed in the next week.
Highly obliged.
Yes, my lord, sir.
Service is not complete. On respondent number 2.
You taken step, Lord, sir.
It has gone through district magistrate.
Yes, the additional district and session judge. Where the section 376, the cognizance has been taken, in the where the you honor, my lord. There was
Is it a POXO matter?
POSCO, no, my lord. There was it means the offense was as the offense said FIR.
It has been it has been routed through district magistrate.
My lord,
Why it has been routed through district magistrate?
my lords, the cognizance has been taken by the additional district and session judge.
Yeah, understood. I mean, the notice on respondent number 2, why it was routed through district magistrate?
No, is respondent number 2 through police station it will be. Not through district magistrate.
Have you seen the office note?
No, my lord.
Why you have been sitting here for so
Yeah, because
so many hours? Why you haven't checked the office note?
sorry, my lord, for that. We are taking a step against the fresh step.
Your name?
Why Sigda?
Mr. Y. Sikdar, the learned counsel appearing for the accused, appearing for the petitioner. Service office note dated 6/6/2026 reveals that service of notice on respondent number 2 is yet to be executed. Postal track consignment could not be traced as the same was issued to the district magistrate number. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner praised for taking press steps on respondent number 2. Prayer is allowed. The counsel or the petitioner shall take press steps for service of notice on respondent number 2 through speed post as well as usual post within a period of 3 days from today. Let the matter be listed after
My lord.
2 weeks. Yes, I do.
Lovely, Your Lordship. Lord, we have taken so many steps, but report is not there, my lord. My submission is this, my lord. This is the case where we have prayed for de novo investigation of the case because police has submitted the charge sheet without proper investigation. But as the matter is pending since long, already trial has started. So, my lord, we may be granted one opportunity under section 193.
Why you have not appeared before the Loazima court?
What we have seen that we put up before Lojima court, it is. My prayer at this stage is this.
See, Mr. Mahmood,
No, I am not seeking any order against them.
now, whatever it, notice has to be issued on respondent number.
Notice we have taken several steps.
The Loazima court matter was listed. You did not appear before the Loazima court.
These steps paper are with us. So many persons are there, my lord. However, I wanted that your lordship may send the matter to the London District and Session Judge at Bojali, where we will file a petition under section 193(9) of BNS. So the session judge will take appropriate steps. Instead of keeping the matter pending here,
He should have appeared before the Loazima court. There was an order from the court to place it before the Loazima court. But in spite of that, he did not appear.
yes, I am sorry for that. I don't know.
Did and we should have intimated this to the Loazima court.
But at this stage, my lord, I think when we are not seeking any order, adverse order against the private respondent,
You have made them parties. I mean, will
parties we have met, but if the matter goes to the London Session Judge, he will.
But that cannot be done like that.
In one opportunity, my lord, we will serve notice through the concerned police station. That will do perhaps in effective manner.
heard Mr. MU.
Yes, sir.
Also hearing for the for the petition. Also heard Mr. KK Das speak. From the proceedings of Wazima Court, that 962026, it is seen that notices on respondent number 5 to 9. Can I write the report of service of notice on respondent number 5 to 9 is yet to be received. Yet to be received. It is also seen that while the matter was taken up before the Wazima Court, none appeared on behalf of the Wazima Court. Mr. MU Mahmood, the learned counsel, appearing for the accused, appearing for the petitioner, submits that on several occasions steps have been taken. However, the same could not be executed on the respondent number 5 to 9. In view of the opportunity, he submits that it should be allowed to the states to the all these people stay under this police station.
Yes, my lord.
To the officer in charge of Patasar Kuchi Police Station, District Bozali, wherein all the respondents, namely 5 to 19, are residents. So how will you do it?
We'll through registry. We'll send the same to the officer in charge, Patasar police station, for service.
In view of the aforesaid, the petitioner is allowed to take steps to register on the officer in charge. Officer in charge, Patasar
Kuchi police station.
Police Station, Patasar Kuchi, requisite number of numbers of copies of the petition shall be sent along with the notices, so that the officer in charge of Patasar Kuchi Police Station can serve the notices on the responding numbers 5 to 19. After service of notice, an affidavit. After service of notice, in proof of service, an affidavit shall be filed by the counsel appearing to the petitioner before this court. Let the matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Let it be 4 weeks.
Let the matter be listed after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
May I have a request, Lordship? My matter 37, Lordship. TCR also may kindly be called for a scan copy of the TCR, Lordship.
This was
the CD has been called for, Lordship, because for somehow, some what reason for if they may not have the copy, at least in the TCR that may be available.
it's a charge sheet matter.
No, not yet charge sheet. Charge CD has come.
CD is there, but we have not found the 48
Is it a charge sheet matter?
No, not charge sheet.
Then how TCR will be there?
No, this 30, 47, 48, what they have submitted before the TCR. What they have submitted before the CGM, Barpeta, during production of the accused, those should come, Lordship, at least.
CD it will be there. It will be there in the CD. TCR is not required. It will be there in the CD. Usually it comes in the CD.
Normally it comes, Lordship.
It will come.
Lordship.
Item 37.
Item 37.